Okay, so here, as you see, whoa. So here we have the frozen dumplings that have now firmed up nice and hard. Okay, and what I do is I have a bag of my frozen dumplings of the same type. So I just pop them all in. Now they're nice and hard, so I don't have to care about it getting all squashed at all. They all go in the bag, and when anybody is hungry, they can just help themselves to these beautiful dumplings. So say my son would take, I would take about, this is about my size. Take a handful, steam it, make pot noodles. Make pot noodles, steam it, make pot noodles. So I will take, what will happen is my son or myself or whoever, they're hungry, they can take, what's the nicest thing is a meal portion. So I will take, this is probably good enough for me, maybe one more just extra. And I would throw this in some hot soup, hot stock, steam it, or make pot stickers, and that's it. So anybody can just help themselves. There we go. This goes into the freezer for when anybody wants a snack. You see them all here. Wonderful. Great peace of mind. Great to have in the freezer. They go fast. So, as I say, the best thing when you make these is to make a bunch. Got a big bag for the freezer for anybody. So I'm always ready for those emergencies or those conversations where, what are we going to eat? What are we going to eat? This is an absolute no-brainer. Enjoy, guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.